Everbee has relaunched their online store platform and it's called Oposhop. And in this video, I'm going to walk through how you can create a store from scratch using Oposhop. Now, I want to be clear, there's certain tutorials out there that are very comprehensive. This is designed for complete beginners. So if you're overwhelmed with setting up a shop and you might think there's too many options and there's too much to do, you might get decision paralysis. We don't want that. So in this video, I'm going to walk through step by step very clearly on how you can actually set up a brand new shop from scratch. Let's jump in. Okay, so I've signed up for Everbee. I'm on the main Everbee page. I've just logged in. And what I want to do is on the top left, there's this Everbee apps button. I want to select it and I'm going to see Everbee Research, Everbee Email, and here is Oposhop. So I'm going to click on Oposhop. Now this is the main page where I've got my Zen Watercooler store set up. So here, for example, my Zen Watercooler store has just had its domain name changed to include my oposhop.com. So we want to set up a brand new store. So what I'm going to do is click this little button right here, which expands the menu. So here we can see now the menu has been expanded out. And I'm going to select this button right here to create a new store. So I've got various stores set up and I'm going to click add a new store right here. Okay, and here is our AI generator, which is going to help us create a new store. So you can pick a niche down below if you're not sure of what you want to actually create. You can always change it later, but this just gives you ideas. I really like animals and pets, for example. So let's set up a cat store. I'm going to click this animals and pets right here. And I haven't typed anything in. All I did was click that one button and it's starting to create my entire store. Okay, and here is my shop. I want to be very clear here. I have not selected anything yet except I clicked one button and I said, give me a pet store. So here it's called Paws Up. There's a great looking thumbnail. The lady loves the dog. She loves the cat. She loves reading. Here's all the different product slots down below. There's sample products we can see here. So these are like little buckets that we can fill with our different products. Over on the left, we can stylize our store. So I can select my color palette. I can select the little drop down button right there. I can view more color palettes too. So let's say I really like bright colors. I'm going to select this blue, red, and blue right here on the bottom. And we'll see it changes certain buttons. So here, for example, the Shop Now button is changing in real time. I can also select fonts down below. So here I've got 4 font pairings. I can also click View More, and I can see some different font pairings. Let's say I want to go with Anton and Lato, for example. We'll see now it changes the look and feel of the store. So you can play around with this and decide exactly what you would like your store to look like. Maybe you'd like it looking a little more crafty like this. I'm going to have this Patrick Hand and Assistant be my shop font. Okay, so I'm going to click the continue button right here. And we're going to advance now to actually stocking our shelves, our digital shelves. So here we've got different products with a print-on-demand supplier called Printify. So Oposhop has partnered with Printify to have Printify print and ship products that you sell. So the beauty of print on demand is that if you list a product on here and someone buys it, you just need to pay Printify the cost of the item. Printify will print and ship the product to the customer who's paid you the full price. So let's say we want to have a mug store. So I'm going to click on this mugs right here, and we're going to see a whole bunch of products that already populated right into our store. Cat related, dog related. These are all AI generated and they look really, really good. So you can see very quickly our store is taking shape. Click the little continue button right here. We can see there's some additional add-ons. These are optional, but you could add in different items like t-shirts, for example, or sweatshirts, hoodies. The list goes on and on. I'm going to click skip for now. There's also a couple of courses if you're interested. There's an actual e-commerce training course that's free. I'm just going to click skip for now. And there is an add-on here if you wanted to purchase the Everbee professional package. I'm going to click skip for now. All right, and our store is now set up. At least the bare bones are. There's a great congratulations video here from Leslie, who's our Everbee ambassador. She's great to listen to. I highly recommend her videos on the Everbee official channel. And we can see underneath here, we can connect Printify now to Oposhop. So what you need to do is sign up or log into Printify right here. Or if you already have a Printify account, just simply connect it down below. If you already have an account with Printify, you simply need to log in and then allow access for Printify to go in to Everbee. So I'm going to click this allow button right here. So if you don't see your store listed here in the select your Printify store section, then you can continue right here with DFY. And what we need to do is create a new store in our Printify dashboard. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to click DFY right here. And it says connect payments now to start accepting orders. So here we have to just connect to our Stripe account or our PayPal account. So I'm going to connect payments now to start accepting orders. I'll click that button. And just like that, our store is now ready to go. It says, here's our products. We've got 20 mugs that are ready. I can preview my store by clicking right here. And just like this, our Pause Up store is all ready to go. Here's our home button, our shop button, and our About Us button. So it's a very basic setup. But if you're new to selling print-on-demand items or digital downloads, then this can be really nice. It's not overwhelming. We've got 20 items listed for sale, and they're linked to our Printify account. Here I'm going to click on my kitty cat mug right here, and we can see the mug. We can see the thumbnails, and right here, customers can add to the cart so they can start shopping right away. So I do want to point out, this is just the bare bones of your store. Here you've got different little tasks that you need to complete. So for example, if I click on General, you're going to see some basic site information, like the name of my site, the site language, the currency that I'm using. You'd want to make sure that all of this is accurate, especially what country you're set up in. Here is your domain information. So here you can rename your store, for example, or if you have an existing domain, you can connect it right here. So if you go to a site like Namecheap, for example, you can purchase an online website domain name and connect it right here. Your payment and taxes, we've just seen this already. This is your Stripe and your PayPal account. You just need to connect to one of those. And then here you can set up your shipping profile and you can set up how much it is to ship. There's also advanced features too, like HTML tags and tag managers. This is really useful if you're meta tagging your store. So when you search for something, for example, on Google, it will show up in search. So you want to make sure to complete your store setup here at the top. When you click the Continue Setup button right here, it will take you to the different things that you need to do to get your shop set up. And at any time, you can preview your site right here. And really within less than an hour, you can have your shop up and running and ready to go for the general public. Of course, you'll want to tweak things over time, but this can get you up and running very quickly. I'll put a link to Oposhop in the video description below. It's a really great feature, especially if you're not tech savvy and you don't want to spend hours and hours coding HTML. Just a heads up, the link to the Oposhop in the video description is an affiliate link, and that just means if you purchase the Oposhop, I would receive a small commission. I like Oposhop a lot. I love Everbee. Make sure to check it out in the link below. Here's another video where you can have some fun in the world of niche research.